Presenting the Ford 2018 Fusion Hybrid SE. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 9 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, CD player, radio data system, radio, AM/FM stereo with MP3/single CD player, sync communications and entertainment system, air conditioning, automatic temperature control and front dual zone AC. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.